Welcome back, you're watching Will Wise Joe, and in the next few seconds you're going to see why the new 2026 Honda FourTrax Rancher 350 could be one of the most talked about ATVs for real riders who want reliability over hype. If you're into work, trails, or all-around riding, stay with me because this one is built with a very clear purpose. The 2026 Honda FourTrax Rancher 350 continues Honda's long tradition of making ATVs that just don't quit. This machine is designed for riders who want something dependable, easy to handle, and tough enough to deal with daily use. Whether you're using it on a farm, ranch, job site, or for weekend trail rides, the Rancher 350 is all about balance. It's not trying to be the biggest or the flashiest ATV out there. Instead, it focuses on practical power, smooth control, and long-term durability. Honda has always been known for engines that last for years with minimal fuss, and the Rancher 350 follows that same philosophy. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. Throttle response feels controlled, which is especially useful when hauling gear, towing light loads, or navigating rough terrain. This ATV is made to work hard during the week and still be fun to ride when the work is done. One of the biggest strengths of the FourTrax Rancher 350 is its comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride. The seating position feels natural, the handlebars are easy to reach, and the overall layout makes long rides less tiring. Suspension tuning is aimed at real-world riding, soaking up bumps, ruts, and uneven ground without feeling too soft or unstable. This makes it a great option for riders who spend hours in the saddle. Durability is another key reason why so many riders trust Honda. From the frame to the plastics, everything feels solid and well thought out. The Rancher 350 is built to handle mud, dust, heat, and cold without complaining. Maintenance is straightforward, which is a huge plus for owners who prefer riding over wrenching. In a market full of high-powered machines, the 2026 Honda FourTrax Rancher 350 stands out by staying true to what actually matters. It's reliable, practical, and versatile, making it a smart choice for riders who want an ATV they can count on year after year. If you value proven engineering and real-world performance, this Rancher deserves your attention. This is Will Wise Joe, and I'll see you in the next ride.